told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, selamat datang kembali di channel DOP Manajemen. Kali ini saya mau manggung ke Krengseng, di tempat KM Kayu Manis Pak Dedi Wirawan. Ya, perjalanan kali ini tidak menggunakan mobil tapi menggunakan motor. Ayo Lur.
Ayo Lur. Hari ini kita berangkat Lur.
Berangkat kemana Lur?
Berangkat di daerah Nganjuk.
Ya, seperti biasa itu pemain bedolan. Dan alhamdulillah bareng lagi sama Bang Pandol. Oke, ikuti terus perjalanan saya. Alhamdulillah permisa. Kali ini kita kedatangan bintang tamu dari Jawa Timur. Personilnya Nyupal apa? Cak Jenan.
Iki ngorden saiki.
Cak Jenan KW Super. Mainin nang dia, Beb. Nanggon siapa ya?
Bos Kaji KM yang punya KM.
KM oh, Kayu Manis oh.
Biasa nanggap New Palapa. Nanggap New.
Ini nanggapnya New
Amigos.
Amigos genderane mana?
Kaya nera biasane.
Kita melewati jalan-jalan pedesaan ini, guys.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Bagian dan Arum dari RBN Jawa Timur. Pemuda Pancasila. Tolong diamankan. Nah ini kan wah sudah. Kasih pada telepon sopo kan. Jago Putra. Jago Putra 2. Jago Putra 2.
Tok. Telepon siapa, Pak Tok? Telepon siapa?
Telepon mandap. Jago Putri.